Surface wind 110 degrees at 4 knots.
Thank you, Pakistan 716. Pakistan 716 has gone round.
Pakistan 716, Roger 7, this approach, QNH 1018.
1018, executing this approach, Pakistan 718.
Pakistan 716, when you can you advise me to the reason for the go-around, please?
Just stand by, sir, we'll call you.
Brother. Pakistan 716, could you advise that reason, please, back to approach 135.0.
135.0, Pakistan 716. Manchester, Pakistan 716, good morning.
Manchester radar, hello again. Can you tell me the reason for your go-around, please?
Continue heading, confirm.
Yes, continue on that heading, and what's the reason for the go-around?
Okay, continue heading, and the reason for go-around was unsafe landing gear light. And we had warning for the landing gear.
Pakistan 716, that's understood. Do you need time to reconfigure, or are you happy to continue and make another approach to land?
We need some time to do the procedure, and then we can have the heading in that time.
Pakistan 716, are you declaring an emergency, or do you anticipate a normal landing?
We anticipate normal landing now. We've done the procedure and everything is okay.
Pakistan 716, that's understood. You have about 30 miles to touchdown now.
Roger, Pakistan 716.
Pakistan 716 on runway 06 right, you're clear to land, the wind is 120 degrees 5 knots.
Wind copy, clear land 06, Pakistan 716.